Welcome everybody to Holman's Homestead. My name's Carolyn and we're so glad you stopped by. Today, for What's for Supper Wednesday, we're going to have some skillet chicken. You'll need some chicken thighs, some olive oil, about a couple tablespoons, cream of mushroom soup or cream of chicken soup, and then you're going to need a can of water. And whatever seasoning you like. We have the Montreal chicken seasoning. Let's get started. First, we're going to pat the skin dry. We're not going to skin these. That's what's going to make the recipe good. Next, I'm going to take the seasoning and sprinkle it all around. Pretty good bit on it. Use whatever seasoning you like. Pat it in there. Okay, let me wash my hands and we'll get to the next step. I've got my 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan heating up. You want it on about medium high. And you want to set your oven to 375. And we're just going to put the chicken in, skin side down. You want this to cook on the skin side for about 8 minutes. Now we're just going to flip them and we're going to cook them on the other side for about 8 minutes. Now we're going to take our mushroom soup while that's cooking. Get it in the container. I'm going to get 1 cup or 1 can of water. Now I'm going to mix that up and then just set it aside. Okay, the chicken's cooked for 8 minutes on the other side. Now we're going to take our mix, our mushroom mix, and you're going to pour it between the chicken. Don't pour it on the chicken. You want that skin exposed. Whoops, I did. But try not to pour it on top of the chicken. Just pour it around it. Now we're going to put this in the oven for around 45 minutes or until the temperature is 165. And here it is out of the oven, nice and crispy, and you've got some gravy to go along with it. Let's plate it up. There you have it, everybody, skillet chicken. I want to thank everybody for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.